Sometimes the city really surprises me with places like this. क्या है? हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हमने बहुत लेट चालू किया है व्लॉग। एक्चुअली इट्स 12:30 and I've just been doing things, a lot of things that I needed to do. But here we are, and right now I'm actually heading somewhere with my husband, and we are twinning, and it was not planned. It was not planned. It's just our color palette, our taste is very similar, so ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा often होता है. Anyways, keeping that aside, where are we going here? Hey concrete. What exactly is that? वहाँ पे जाके पता चल जाएगा. Okay. And why am I going with you? Like तेरा तो समझ आता है because basically यश का जो business है is basically it's called D Vineyards. His firm is called D Vineyards, and the name suggests what the business is. Basically vineyards के wholesaler है हम. We are going there because Yash wants to check out some products because वो ये line में है, and he's like it's a cool place, you should come. So that's why I'm going with him. And yeah, let's go there and let's see what is it all about. कुछ crazy कर रहे हैं यार आज तो हम vlog में. And also मुझे एक चीज़ बोलनी थी कि it's gonna take me some time to get used to this, how to make this more interesting for y'all. And till then, stick by. It's only going to get better. I have so many ideas, so many like things going on in my mind right now for y'all. So just stick by then. मैंने तुमको दिखाया नहीं, बट फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे में पता है मैं क्या कर रही थी? मैं मेरा फोन खाली कर रही थी और मैंने और डीक्लटरिंग की. सो आई डोंट नो इफ आई टोल्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट व्लॉग और नॉट, बट बेसिकली मेरे 2 ड्रॉर्स हैं जो कि मतलब बहुत सारे ड्रॉर्स हैं रूम में, बट वो जो 2 ड्रॉर्स हैं वो हमारे एवरीडे ड्रॉर्स हैं और उसमें बहुत ही कूड़ा भरा हुआ था. तो उसमें से जैसे कपड़ों की थैली 2 निकली, इन 2 ड्रॉर्स में से 3 थैलियां निकली बिकॉज we both are skincare junkies and hair care junkies, and like just like so many, there was a lot of stuff. So वो declutter किया and मैंने मेरा फोन खाली किया जो by the way है 512 GB का. 12, हाँ 512 GB का. मैंने सोचा मैंने इतना खाली कर लिया, अब तो भाई बहुत ज़्यादा स्टोरेज, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस हो गई होगी. और कितनी हुई? 512 से 483 ही हुई. तो आई डोंट नो क्या भरा पड़ा है, मुझे और खाली करना पड़ेगा. So if you can relate, I think I'm sure you all can relate to this because iPhone में तो ये issue बहुत ज़्यादा है, and I like create content, so this is like my biggest issue. Even though I have like a few ways how I've made my life easier when it comes to transferring data, I will share that with you as well. अगर तुम्हें उसके लिए कुछ चाहिए है, how do I do that? Let me know in the comments and I will share how I'm managing my data right now. We have reached, and Yash is just walking the car. Sometimes the city really surprises me with places like this because I would never imagine a place like this to exist in Udaipur. It's not like a small city or anything like that, but still, this is like really cool. see from there, and oh my god, this place is something else. If you're building a home, office, hotel, or any space in Udaipur specifically, then you have to come here. It's so good. It's really good. And we just got free. We are heading towards home. I'm very hungry. I'm very very hungry because it's way past my lunchtime. So I'm gonna go and have lunch. I'll catch you there. And Yash is going to office. He's gonna have lunch there.
Yes.
Thepla, aloo, and this mirchi for lunch. And this is like absolutely insane. So back at my home, like my mom's place, we never used to make thepla. Like मम्मी थोड़े different type के पराठे मेथी के बनाती थी, but here these guys make this and I love this. Like Yash is obsessed with it. Now even I am obsessed with this. It's very tasty. It's like very satisfying. And especially with this mirchi, it's just banging. Hi. So I just had my lunch and I was on call with a friend, so I couldn't record much of it. But here's my chance. Never skipping chance. I'm just going to take my. This is for hair, by the way, because I'm experiencing a lot of hair fall. So my dermat wrote this for me, and now I'm just gonna pop this. It tastes really bad. Like it has this aftertaste, which I absolutely dread. It has a very bad aftertaste, but I just have to take this. Otherwise, I think I will go bald. So yeah, I'm gonna do some editing work now, and I will get back to you soon. If ये ही मना कर देगा मेरे कंटेंट में आने के लिए तो कैसे चलेगा भाई? You look nice. You can literally never look bad. We can actually go there. So we are basically figuring out a place for date night right now. क्या है? चलना यार यश प्लीज यार.
तैयार तो हो तो तैयार तो होना शुरू
मेरे को तैयार होने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा. तू जगह फाइनल कर.
प्राइवेट चीजें मेरे को नहीं पसंद.
ये कोई प्राइवेट. यश रिलैक्स.
मैं कॉपीराइट डाल दूंगा वीडियो में. मैं बोलूंगा मेरी उसके खिलाफ जाके तुम्हें डालना.
We discussing about the place where we are going is very private conversation, huh?
Yeah.
I'm literally not even recording you, Yash. I'm not even. He's hiding his face. Yash, please, चल अब जगह डिसाइड कर ले.
भाई तैयार होना तो पहले जगह डिसाइड हो जाएगी.
जगह के हिसाब से मैं तैयार होंगी ना.
अच्छी जगह जा रहे ना, तैयार हो जाओ उस हिसाब से.
ठीक है, तब तक तू फिगर आउट कर लेगा कहाँ जाना है.
हाँ. तैयार होने के
ठीक
बाद
है, मैं
तुझे
रेडी हो
मैसेज
गया. तू
खिला
हील
देना.
फिर. So we are gonna get ready until he decides a place. 1, 2, 3. I am ready and he is literally in the shower. Anyways, ignore the mess behind, and we have booked the table for 8 p.m. It's already 8, I think, and we are going to this place called Roar. So it's a new place, we've never been there, and we are on this journey to explore these really nice, cool, fine dine places in Udaipur, because we just like love going on date nights on Saturdays. So Yeah, let's go. We are ready. We both are ready and we are ready to leave.
Look at this muscles.
I've been working out. Let's go. चला कि जो रेस्टोरेंट में एकदम स्टार्टिंग में उदयपुर में आई थी मुझे जाना था वो मैं जा नहीं पाई क्योंकि यश ने बोला कि वो अच्छा नहीं है उसी को चेंज करके ये वाला बनाया इस आदमी को मैंने बोला था कि क्लिप्स ले लेना मैं क्लिप्स लेके आ रही आके कंफर्टेबली बैठ गया यार
वापस नहीं पक्का ठीक है ये है 10 लाल पानी 8 थी 10 की
हाँ चल वो तो उसका वर्ड नहीं है अपने से यश है सोचना बहुत है
We have come to the end of the vlog, the second vlog. 2 vlogs consecutively. Who am I? Vlog. I am so happy. I had fun. This was fun. Today was fun. I hope you all had fun. If you had fun, then like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. You know the drill. On a serious note, please subscribe so that I get motivated to post more, to post regularly and
let's switch on
turn on your notification bell. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video.
Good night.
Every time I post a video. Okay, I love you. Bye. At night, date nights, at night.